Hello everyone, in this video I created the OG Fortnite Tilted Towers clock tower. I hope you enjoy. Alright, we can start here with the base and get the template down for the building and set in the grass. As you see, we have the walls here. They are 21 plates tall and 12 blocks long. And now we can start the wall by stacking some smooth bricks and plates. And after that, we can finish the wall by stacking the 5 bricks up and tiling it off to make everything structurally sound. To create the door, we can stack the bricks in a frame and tile it off. Now replicate the wall to all the sides so we can start the door. You can either have the door open or have the door closed. Your choice. So everything looks really good, so let's start with the second layer. To start, we can add some plates and then put down the base structure. To start the wall, we can add 3 1x8 bricks and add some curve to the top. Now starting the frame, we can put the arches together and stack it on some bricks. Now we can put a plate down and replicate it to all the other sides. Then we can take this inverted slope and place some base structure on top. Now we can put that on the build and it's looking very accurate. Now for the third layer, we can start with some walls and some columns. We can build up the walls with some bricks and tiles, and then we can make the actual columns with some brackets and bricks. And now that we have all the pieces, we can put it together. And then all you do is just duplicate that layer up one more. Now using the same techniques as before, we can build up the arched columns with the same techniques for the walls, but have some stop bricks in the middle. We can place it on every side and start with the clock. Now we place that on and it's looking really good. And now we make the flooring and pop it in place. Then we can add some supports and start on the main wall. To start, we can add some tiles and bricks and put them together in this exact pattern. Then we replicate it to all 4 sides and add some tiles. Using this technique, we can get the correct amount of lip for the edge. And now we can place that on our build. To get the complexity of the windows, we can use some bars and some minifigure arms. We can build the frame of the window using the same techniques, but just a little bit modified. Then we can put the window in place and it's looking really good. And then we can put on some plates like this to keep everything together. And now that we have all 4 sides on, it's looking really good, like the actual clock tower. And then we can put some plates on to hold the roof. And now we can build up the roof with some sloped bricks. To finish, we can stack them together and place it on top. And there it is, the clock tower is done. This is the first time I'm doing a video style like this, so if you like it, make sure you comment down below and leave a like and subscribe.